Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, and this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are taking a traditionally deep-fried dessert and making it in the air fryer.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making air fryer churro bites.
Yum. So good. So what we have started already, we've got some butter, water, and a little bit of sugar going in our saucepan here, and this is what we're going to use to make the dough.
Yeah, so it is a pot au choux batter, so it's like a cooked batter, and this is what's going to give the churro bites that like light, fluffy, airy texture.
Yes, so what we're waiting for here, we need this butter to melt and for it to simmer. And if you're not familiar with churros, I think most people are, but you'll typically find them at food stands or at fairs, but it's a fried Mexican dough pastry.
Yeah, so good.
So good with like a cinnamon sugar and really easy to make in the air fryer. So this is nice and simmered here. As you can see, all that butter is melted and we have a really light bubble going on. So we're going to next add in some flour, which is kind of an interesting step, but it's how we make this batter. So we're going to mix in our flour until it's all moist, and you kind of get that nice toasty flour smell.
Yeah. So it'll take a few minutes to get it like kind of rounded toasty.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to transfer this now, this flour mixture, or dough mixture, I should say, right to our big bowl. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
From you.
Thank you. It smells delicious. Going to add in just a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm going to add in 1 egg at a time. And then just mix it up. I want to get all these eggs very evenly incorporated. And this is what's going to make this dough nice and sticky.
Yes. Which
is what we are looking for. And you want to beat this until the egg is completely incorporated. So as you can see, this batter now is really sticky because a lot of those eggs have kind of cooked down and really glued everything together.
Yes.
So what we would do from here, we would take our batter, we would put it in a zip top bag, and we would let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour.
To really let everything settle. So we have some that has already been sitting for an hour. Like Lauren said, it's in a zip top bag, and we're going to use this as our piping bag. But before I snip the corner off of this, we have our air fryer. It's been preheated to 375, and then we lightly spray the basket with some cooking oil just to prevent it from sticking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a little corner off. I'm going to go smaller because you can always cut more off, but you can't make the hole smaller if you make it too big.
Good call.
All right, so now I'm going to just squeeze little, like 2 to 3 inch pieces off, and then I'm using this knife to kind of cut it off because it is so sticky and get nice clean cuts. So
feel free to make these to your liking as far as the size, but they will really puff up when they cook.
Yes, and you can fit about
over here.
6 in here. You don't want to overcrowd it so the air has enough room to move around these churro bites. So I'm going to go ahead and get that back in here. And this will cook for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Yes. And while we wait for that to get started cooking, I'm going to make our cinnamon sugar that we will coat the churros in right after they come out of the air fryer, which is very traditional to a churro.
Yes.
So you guessed it, it's sugar plus cinnamon.
Super simple.
We're going to make our cinnamon sugar. So we'll just wait for those to cook, and then we can coat them. All right, so our churro bites are almost done, so we need to prep our chocolate dipping sauce, which is absolutely delicious. So we actually just have some dark chocolate chips that we've melted in the microwave, and we're adding in a little bit of plain non-fat Greek yogurt.
So the combination sounds kind of strange, but this sauce is delicious.
So good. It just gives the chocolate a little bit of tangy flavor. So don't knock it till you try it. It's actually very good.
All right, I'm going to actually take a peek at these because I'm starting to smell it, and it smells so good. Ooh, they're perfect and golden brown.
Oh, those are so good.
I'm going to get them into the cinnamon sugar while you're mixing that.
All right.
Yum.
Yes.
Smells delicious.
They coat really well.
Yeah.
in the cinnamon sugar.
And this is just such a fun, like, party snack.
Yes, look how cute they are.
I will say that they are definitely better freshly made, so don't make a
Yes.
double batch thinking you can save it. It won't be as good.
No, you definitely want to eat them fresh, right out of the air fryer.
All right.
Let's give these a try.
Thank you. Get some dipping sauce.
Oh, yeah. Got
Oh,
to. You're going to get a lot of dipping sauce.
Oh, I just have a little.
There you go.
Oh, these are super good.
So good. The dough inside is just so light and fluffy. Absolutely delicious. Well, we hope you shake the winter blues with these air fryer churro bites.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.